good idea with these costumes.
We can see your face.
Yeah, but they're not going to know a nun's going to do a burglary.
That's why I picked the Power Ranger suit.
Good idea.
We need to kick the door down.
You're the Power Ranger, you go.
Watch this. This is a pro.
It didn't move. It's gonna hear you, come on! Maybe I should have worn the Power Ranger suit.
No, I'm the leader. I'm the Red Power Ranger.
I came in first!
Oh yeah, there's dog poo in the garden, so there might be a guard dog around.
There's a big bowl. Right, that's a good point.
Big bowl for a big dog.
Oh no.
I think I broke my hand. Why have you turned the light on?
We need to see what we're getting.
Yeah, but we're ninjas. We need to be stealthy.
Okay.
Okay, because people can see in the window now.
Okay.
Why am I crawling across the floor and you're just walking?
It's quieter. Why have you got your shoes on? You're making loads of noise.
Why have you got your shoes off?
It's impolite. It's rude to leave shoes on in someone's house you don't know.
It's a burglary! We're stealing their stuff, we're not here to be polite.
Oh. I didn't. Okay. Right, anyway. It's clear. Oh man! You have the bag? Yes, I do. Right, what should we rob first?
Why was it in your wig?
I don't have any pockets, I'm dressed as a nun.
Can't you see that?
Don't worry.
You're pathetic.
And who are you?
I'm a parrot.
Yeah, a parrot. What's a parrot gonna do?
I guard this place around here.
You're in a cage?
I can get out of this cage.
I don't think so with the size of your brain. You're a bit. You got bird brain.
Ugh.
You have a bird brain.
I actually am very intelligent. I organised this whole burglary myself.
What? With a divvy Tesco bag?
It's a Costco bag, and Shane's in charge of bringing the bag.
Well done. You're a muppet. Call yourself a Power Ranger. It's more like a kid suit.
It's not a gimp suit, it's a Power Ranger suit. And for your information, I shoot birds like you. I go to the Bahamas every day and I'm like, bang! And that's a dead parrot on my conscience. What are you going to do about it?
When I go to the Bahamas, I go around and I shoot people like you.
Well, I'm a better shot than you, because you don't even have opposable thumbs.
Don't even have a gun.
Don't get angry with the parrot.
It's a smart parrot!
You're a smart guy, come on. Don't get angry with him. Get nicking.
I'm going to punch this bird in the side of the head. I'm crying on this
Calm
parrot.
down, look at him, he's only a little parrot.
It's not
He's in a cage, he's not going to get out and get you.
It's a gobby parrot.
You're a gobby person.
Look at him get told off by his mother.
What are you trying to say?
You're a transvestite.
What, because I dress up as a nun so no one will expect it?
Absolutely. You are a bit of a faggot.
No.
What do you mean a gimp? I'm a red Power Ranger.
I look like more of a Power Ranger than you.
Green Power Ranger, I'm the red one.
The green one's better than the red one. The red one's a gimp.
You're a gimp.
You're a gimp.
I am a red Power Ranger, and the red Power Ranger is the best Power Ranger.
Right, we've got the weapons to take out the parrot.
Why have you got a knife? You haven't got gloves on. Where are your gloves?
Can I borrow your gloves?
Hey, bird brains. I just sprang the pigs on your asses. I've got a phone in my cage.
Put a phone in a bird cage. What? There's a siren outside.
I think we should leave now.
Put a knife back. Right, let's go. My mask. My mask.
My shoes!
We have to forward to go to that location.